Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this device here. This is the really good, nice, small thermal mother P2. This is the world's second smallest thermal camera on the market. It weighs only 10 grams. We have a 256 to 192 IR resolution thermal imaging camera comes here to us with 15 times zoom on thermal images. 1.5 degrees Celsius PCB accuracy. It goes from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. And you can see it works because it shows you how hot it is. Oh yeah, that's of course. Every P2 is an energy efficient protector. We have a high performance, a low power consumption. That means battery life for 367 minutes. And we have 15 time of zooms. The only thermal camera of our phone with zoom function. 2-finger slide off the screen for 1 up to 15 times of zoom factor. And we have free professional data analytics. Effortlessly, this analyzes photos and videos, generate professional reports anytime and anywhere. And we have DIY color bar. We have highlighted the target area with a 2-finger swipe or a manual set the temperature. And we have adjustable emissivity. We adjust for ambient temperature, spark distancing, and emissivity to ensure accurate temperature readings across environments and surfaces. And of course, we have 12 color palettes. The accurately highly temperature targets with the precision of 12 color palettes, which we can use from. It goes from black and white and gray to a rainbow effect, and nearly all between them. The P2 makes it indispensable for home inspectors, automotive technicians, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact, portable design allows us precise the detector of the heat leaks, overheating components, and electrical failures, whether we are on site or in the workshop. So we can use this for pipe inspection, for insulation inspection, for drones, for tire maintenance, for power inspections, and of course engine maintenance. You see a big palette of models and a lot of specifications. This is the P2 with an IR resolution of 256 to 192. The measurement range goes from -20 degrees Celsius up to 600 degrees Celsius plus. The NETD is 40 mK at 25 degrees Celsius with an aperture of 1.0. The battery life, for example, is a Samsung Galaxy S23 and a 4,700 mAh battery, life of 367 minutes. That means the battery life of that device here goes from 300 to 480 minutes. We can zoom in and zoom out. It supports 15 times zoom. We can achieve the 1 up to 15 times zoom by sliding the 2 fingers on the screen, like on our smartphone does. The P2 doesn't need to be charged separately. When connected to a smartphone or a tablet, the device will power the P2. With a power consumption of only 0.3 watt, it can operate from 5 up to 7 hours on a 3000 up to 5000 mAh phone. And, of course, the P2 is suited for various scenarios, including drones, solar inspections, HVAC inspection, electrical testing, home inspections, vehicle maintenance, and boiler inspections too. The P2 has over 50 environmentally parameters. We can adjust the ambient temperature, the object distance, and the emissivity of read temperature and more accurately. And the P2 offers a DIY color bar feature, so we can highlight the target area for focus inspections by dragging with our fingers or manually setting the temperature. And of course, that device provides a free professional analytics reports, this allowing us easy point, line, and surface sanctionary analytics, notation, or infrared images, and sharing it anytime and everywhere. And the P2 utilized Tiny's miniature module, adopted self-developed the ASIC graphic processor, with the thickness of the shutter. It is only 8 mm, this making it smaller, lighter, and a lower power consumption and a higher performance. And of course, the P2 features a second generation ASIC graphic processor and thermal master chip, along the Razor X and the Temp IQ Plus algorithm. It offers a clearer images and more precise temperature measurements. And of course, the Thermal Master has 7 years expertise in developing mobile thermal images and holds the world-leading core technology in this field. It is compatible with nearly 1,000 of phone models worldwide. Despite the extensive range, there may still be a few models that are not supported. For precise information, of course, we should refer to a list of supported models or contact the customer service with our phone model and system details. I use that on a Samsung device, and this works so easy and proper. The Thermal Master P2, it's the second world's smallest thermal camera on the market, and it's really easy. We have a smartphone in our hand. We have the Thermal Master P2 in the other hand. Then we can dock this because it comes with a USB-C adapter to our phone. And if we have the right app downloaded before, we can start this. And of course, using the app and using the Thermal Master P2, which is connected to our phone, we can start and make images and videos and so on. Boy, that's easy, that's a good thing, and it will give us a lot of information because this is good for maintenance. Yeah, and this is good for a good and nice and high temperature measurement range. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。